In this screencast, I'm going to walk you through how to get around in MyITLab. The web address is myitlab.com, and this is the main page that you will come to. Any of the help and resources you need would be in this section here at the bottom is for students. So if we click on the Need Help icon, we have, here's the online knowledge database. If you have any questions, there's 24-hour chat support as well as email support. So I recommend if you're having issues, please contact here first. Here is the little manual that you can walk through, and it just has you go through several different things with screenshots and pictures, things like that. There's a couple of video tutorials for getting started and the one-step installer and launch tool. You can look through those. And here's the enrollment instructions that are also included in the Blackboard folder where you're watching this video. And then there's some student documentation also if you need to look over that. So if we go back to home, now if you are a Mac user, you'll want to read over this document and look at the requirements there. One thing you do want to do is this home computer setup. For the computer that you're going to be working on in MyITLab, you want to do this home computer setup. So you click on that, you're going to download and install this tool here, and it gives you all the step-by-step procedures in order to get that done. This will make the computer settings on your computer correct in order to run the programs within MyITLab. So every time you go into MyITLab, it'll change those settings, make sure that you can do the assignments, and then when you close out of that web page, it will change your settings back on your computer. So once again, you absolutely must do this on your computer to get the other stuff, to get the stuff done in MyITLab. Okay. So once you're on this page, you can sign in right here. You will put in your, I'm already signed in actually. So you'll put in your username and password, and then you will come to a screen like this. If you have not already enrolled in the course, you won't necessarily see anything here. You want to click on this Enroll in the Course button and then type in that ID that I have given you in Blackboard. You will then click on the course, which is our course, BUSA 215, and this will then be Spring 2012. And in here I am in the student view, so it should look very similar to yours. And it should give you a calendar, and these little alarm clocks show you when there are due dates for things. If you click on course content, you will have folders open, and this will be different than our actual course and what you'll see right away, because this is a previous course of mine. So currently, hold on, sorry. So in this course right now, you can see that I have Excel, Access, PowerPoint, and a couple other things open. So here's the course content. So for each week, let's say we're in Excel. Actually, let's not do that. Let's say for PowerPoint, you open up PowerPoint, and we will go through the different chapters. So each week we'll be doing a different chapter, so we can go into chapter 1, and it will show us then the activities that we have for chapter 1. So here is the skills-based training that we need to do, and then here is the grader project. Now if I go back one folder in chapter 1, I also have resources, and in this folder you'll find things like videos, the PowerPoint presentation, all of those things will be located in that resource folder. And when we do the skills-based training and the grader projects, I'll have video tutorials on how to do those as well. Under grades, you will be able to, there's two different ways to view your grades. If you just click on grades, you come to this screen where it will show you your folders on the left-hand side and give you your total grade over here. I recommend that you hover over grades and go to custom view, because when you click on that, it will actually give you a list of everything and the grades that you have for this. As you can see, I haven't participated in my own course, so which is kind of funny. And then it will give you your total grade down here at the bottom. Under communicate, you can email me from this location. Please do not email me from MyITLab. I'd appreciate if you emailed me straight from your CWI email address or from Blackboard, as these stay within the MyITLab feature and I don't check that email. If you have any other questions, there's a help button and support button up here. They can answer some of those questions, and you can also log out over here. And that concludes this screencast.